Mastering politeness in English. Sorry for the delay, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a common phrase that's essential for effective communication. Sorry for the delay. This simple yet powerful statement is a cornerstone in expressing politeness and understanding in both personal and professional contexts. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it so important. Sorry for the delay is an expression used to apologize for being late or taking more time than expected to complete a task or respond. It shows that you acknowledge any inconvenience your tardiness may have caused and that you value the time of the person you're communicating with. This phrase can be used in various situations, from casual conversations to formal emails, making it versatile and essential in your English communication toolkit. This expression is suitable in numerous scenarios, such as responding to emails or messages later than anticipated, starting a meeting or appointment later than scheduled, completing a project or assignment past the deadline, returning a call or text message after a delay. In each of these situations, acknowledging the delay and offering an apology can help maintain a positive relationship and demonstrate professionalism and courtesy. While "sorry for the delay" is a complete statement on its own, its impact can be enhanced with additional information or a brief explanation. For instance, "Sorry for the delay in responding to your email. I was waiting for the necessary information to ensure I could give you a comprehensive answer. Sorry for the delay. Traffic was heavier than expected, and it took me longer to arrive." Adding context helps the recipient understand the reason behind the delay, making your apology more sincere and effective. It's also important to be aware of cultural differences in handling delays and apologies. In some cultures, a straightforward apology is appreciated, while in others, providing a detailed explanation is expected. Being mindful of these nuances can enhance your communication skills and help you navigate interactions more gracefully. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of the phrase, "Sorry for the delay," in English communication. It's more than just an apology. It's a way to show respect, take responsibility, and maintain positive relationships. Remember, effective communication is key to overcoming barriers and building connections. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful insights in our next video.